Okay, this may be the most unnecessary tool I've reviewed so far this year. And that's exactly why I like it. Today we're checking out the SakerNeo Propane Torch and seeing if this thing is actually useful or just another really good internet marketing gadget. That escalated quickly. For full disclosure, I do have to tell you they did send us this for review. The opinions are mine. The outstanding product details are all on them. The first thing I notice is this thing actually feels really good in your hand. Some of the tools that you find online feel like cheap plastic junk. This one honestly feels way more substantial than I thought it would. It has a standard propane bottle connection, which makes it universal, especially for camping, cooking, grilling, with up to 3,272 Fahrenheit on the temperature. Think about your burn barrel. This thing will get it going in no time. You guys have a stick burner smoker? You know we do. This thing will get it going good. Well, last thing we want is lighter fluid inside our firebox. The very top, you've got the adjustable flame control. It's just a regular old dial. You can actually hear it. And it shuts off like what you're used to. This back button back here is your push button ignition. It's also got a safety lock. This red button right here is a really well thought out design and a safety lock. And the safety lock works as expected. It's got a heat sensitive nozzle. It's got the standard propane tank compatibility. As you can see, that's just your regular old 1 pound bottle you can get at Walmart. If you've ever stood there for 20 minutes trying to light your charcoal with lighter cubes, this may well change your life. Not to mention getting your smoker going for that weekend smoke you've been looking forward to all week. As somebody who camps a lot, this is honestly where I see myself using it the most. Just getting your campfire going or your fire pit. Now obviously you're going to need to use some common sense with this thing. It is not a toy. In fact, if you got kids, you might want to watch last week's video where I show you a gun safe that's actually pretty awesome. You don't have to put guns in it, but you can put things in it like this that you don't want your kids or the neighbor kids getting a hold of. At full power, this thing will get extremely hot. And to be honest with you, I haven't had it over half power, and that seems to be way more than plenty. I do like that they added the safety as well as the heat nozzle. I think that's actually pretty cool too. And before anybody asks, no, it doesn't come with propane. That'll be something that you have to buy yourself. It's just the torch. But I absolutely know somebody in the comments is going to ask, does it come with a propane bottle? No, it does not. I actually think this thing is going to fit several groups. Everything from your guys that enjoy the barbecue like we do. We've already demonstrated it, maybe using it at a camp for campfires. It's also going to be really useful if you live in the area where you have a burn barrel. Maybe like us, we actually use an old barbecue pit to burn our cardboard here in the country. Cuts down on less trips to the dump. Homesteaders, I think, would find this extremely helpful. You also can't discount the fact that a lot of woodworkers are actually wood burning frames and stuff like that to make your woodworking projects look older. You can hit this with the torch, sand off the black stuff that's going to fall off, and it gives your more weathered look, which is really in style and actually looks pretty sweet. I think this thing will also end up being like a laser. People told me when we first got our laser, the more you use your laser, everything's going to look like a laser project. For an outdoorsman, the more you use this thing, you're going to find so many more uses for it than what we've been able to mention in this video. And I think that speaks for itself. So honestly, is this thing necessary? Absolutely not. Is it something pretty cool that you might find extremely useful? Absolutely. It is ridiculously fun to use, and like I say, the more you use it, I think you'll find even more uses for it. If you spend time outdoors, camping, cooking, grilling, I think you might be able to find a use for this. I can absolutely see the appeal. If you've enjoyed this video and you like outdoor gear reviews, hunting, fishing, camping, that kind of stuff, consider joining our family right here at Heartland Makes and Outdoors. We're on our way to 15,000 subscribers. With your help, not only can we make it, but I'd love to see you there with us when we do arrive at the 15,000. As always, I hope you have a blessed week, and let's get outside and make something happen.